Alright, that right there, that little black spot, that's a hole in my transfer case. I thought it was leaking from somewhere else, like along the gasket here, but no, it's a little hole right there. I actually opened it up a little bigger so I can get some epoxy in there. I stopped and I got some aluminum epoxy, some carburetor cleaner, some tools. I jacked up my truck, put her in gear, crawled under here, which probably wasn't the smartest thing to do, but you know, what the hell. And while it was running, I could see it coming out back here a little further, and cleaned it up, and sure enough, there's a little hole. So I'm going to clean it up best I can, get some epoxy in it, and hopefully I'll slow down the leak, because it's leaking pretty good. I mean, it's hard to see with the light, but my fuel tank's covered in oil, my differential, everything. This oil is about 12 bucks a quart, and it's a pain in the ass to get, and it's a special GM Auto Track 2 fluid. But apparently this is a common problem right here inside of the transfer case. So here I am in Oklahoma, an old abandoned car lot with human feces up here in the corner. I'm starting to get the whiff of maybe a bum living in the back, but I'm going to fix this and carry on. Hoorah!